Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn the module second, adaptation as interpretation. In the previous lecture, we learned about adaptation as interpretation from the Wikipedia, and now uh, to some extent we are going to learn what is the meaning of word interpretation, and afterwards how adaptation as interpretation. See, first part, that is adaptation. What is interpretation? Here we can understand how group of students was given an assignment. They were given a piece of paper on which was a big black bolt of ink. They were asked to see it carefully and write what they saw in it. The answer showed that they found different shapes in the bolt. For example, one found the imprint of a cow's foot and others saw a Tulsi Vrindavan in it. In another experiment, a group of students again was shown a short film of bullfight and they were asked to write what they saw. One student wrote that the tongue of one bull was out of his mouth when he was shown the same film again at slow speed. He discovered that it was the ear of a bull and not the tongue. What he saw was interpreted by him in his own way. Imagine that there are clouds on the horizon and the sun is behind them, giving a colorful display. Can you see something interesting in it? As a figure, a scene, a person, a flower, or a colorful freehand design, or things like that. Does your friend see the same thing without your saying what you saw in it? Not necessary. He might see either nothing or something quite different than what you saw. So, here we can understand what is the meaning of interpretation. Here we can understand how the word interpretation is given importance and given meaning to it. Everyone can see by his own eyes and understand the particular thing and try to interpret that thing. So, here we can understand what is the basic meaning of interpretation. Next part, what is the definition of interpretation? Interpretation is a noun form of the verb to interpret. Term interpret means explain the meaning of, elucidate, unfold, translate into intelligible and familiar form, and therefore interpretation is a sense or explanation given by interpreter. When a person interprets, he or she presents the meaning as he or she sees in it. There is a touch of artistic performance in it. There are a number of definitions of interpretation. Interpretation is an act of interpreting something as expressed in an artistic performance. This definition concentrates on the artistic aspect of interpretation. When a book is adapted into a film or a TV serial or an animation video, it is an attempt of the adapter to present the book as he or she sees it. The famous film The Birds, directed by Alfred Hitchcock, is based on the story of the same name by Daphne du Maurier. It is a thriller that loosely adopts the original story and creates a new interpretation of the matter. If we read the original story and compare it to the film, we can easily notice how it has been differently interpreted. Interpretation is also defined as a particular adaptation or version of a work, method, or style. This definition highlights adaptation as interpretation. It is a stylistic representation of creative work and explanation of the source text. All these definitions highlight the fact that adaptation is interpretation. So, here we can understand how interpretation word goes and what is the definition of interpretation. In the next part, we can understand what is adaptation. That is, the dictionary meaning of the term adaptation is the adjustment and alteration, making something suitable, a reshaping, a remarking, A remaking. Adaptation is a remake of something, but not necessarily a faithful copy of it. Adaptation is transferring something from one medium to another. Adaptation, in short, is a process of change to suit the adapter's purpose. If we find something worth adapting, it means I find something worth presenting in my angle. Opinions vary as to what adaptation is. Balzac, for example, calls it an independent work, as worthy as or worthier than the original. Other critics call adaptation inferior to the original. Linda Hutchins point out that it is not inferior. She wonders how is it that most of the prestigious awards have been bagged by film adaptations. Yes, adaptations are many times superior to the original. What makes them so? So here we can understand how adaptation is treated as interpretation, and the most important thing, adaptation is what taught us about the interpretation of the novel or film. Adaptation, as we have seen, is a remaking or reshaping of the original piece of literature. A person adopts something because he sees something worth presenting in it. In other words, it is what and how the adapter saw it. It is his or her interpretation. So here we can understand what is the meaning of adaptation, that remaking or reshaping again in some meaningful thing. So here we can see the example which is prescribed for you, that is Angur movie, and it is an adaptation of Shakespeare's play The Comedy of Errors. This is not the only adaptation of the play on Indian screen. While searching internet, it was found that undoubtedly Angur is modeled on Shakespeare's The Comedy of Errors, which in itself is an adaptation of Minachmi by Plautus. So here we can understand how The Comedy of Errors is also adaptation, and after that the Angur film is adaptation of Comedy of Errors. So here we can understand how adaptation is meaning, adjustment and alteration, making something suitable, and according to various theorists, adaptation is interpretation as well as recreation, and it is a different work of art. So in this way we can understand the meaning of the word interpretation, meaning of the word adaptation, and now we will move towards what is the meaning of adaptation as interpretation. Till the advent of movies, literature was something to be read and enjoyed individually or in some cases collectively. Play was the only thing that unfolded before many through its presentation on the stage. Otherwise, people had to visualize the picture presented in the books using their mind's eyes. A short story, for example, presenting the sad tale of a poor orphan girl might move one to pity, and other might react with anger to the relatives who abandoned the orphan, while some other would blame the society for such orphans being let to live or die as their luck would be. Each person here is interpreting the story in his or her own way. Here we can understand how everyone can watch the movie and interpret according to their own understanding and knowledge. So here we can understand how interpretation is adaptation is not just interpretation, it is also a judgment of the adapter. Films based on great literary works have been interpretations of a mind with critical as well as creative faculty. Today's popular word for it is remake, and it also indicates the reshaping of the story. The story is reconstructed, refabricated into a new one, and this cannot be done unless the maker understands and interprets the story in his own angle and way. All the adaptations of the play under our study are independent works, and it means they are independent interpretations, remakes, restructures, and reconstructions. So, when we read about the interpretation and as adaptation as interpretation, we can understand how the adaptation can be treated as a interpretation, and adaptation can be treated as the reconstruction of the work of art. So here is the meaning. We can understand the meaning of word interpretation, meaning of the word adaptation. Again, the next part is about literary adaptation and what is the meaning of adaptation as interpretation. In next lecture, we will learn about the comedy of errors and about the Shakespeare. So till then, thank you.